Hey guys, and today we'll be making a Jim Dine Inspired Heart. You will need oil pastels, a square piece of cardboard, a pencil, some coloured paper, a Pritt stick, and some scissors. The first thing that you are going to do is to get a coloured piece of paper in a warm colour, this works best, and you're going to scrumple it up so you've got lots of creases in your paper. Glue this onto your piece of cardboard, but try not to lose any creases because this is what you're going to use to add texture to your picture. If you have loads of excess paper, don't worry, just flip your cardboard over and trim off the excess edges. You should now have a nice textured square, and using your pencil, draw a heart outline into the centre of the square. Around the outside of your heart, add cool colours. I use blues and greens. I used a variety of shades to make it more interesting than just solid colours. And then you're going to do different pressure on your pastel, so you can get some more dense colour in areas, and then other parts show the texture of the paper and also the texture of the cardboard underneath. Try and blend the different colours and shades of colours as best as you can without using something like baby oil, which is very good for blending oil pastels, because I find that in something like this where you want to keep the texture, the baby oil smooths everything down and you want to try and keep that rough texture as much as you can, but also blend the colours still. On the inside of your heart outline, you want to use warm colours to contrast with the cool colours that you're using on the outside. So for my heart, I used red, orange and a pink, and then around the edges I tried to use the colours more densely and then have a bit which is more highlighted to the left of the heart. In hindsight, I should have added a bit more shading to the right side of my heart, so I had a bit more shadow to make it more 3D, but it is what it is. Go around the outline of your heart with a black oil pastel. You don't want it to join up all the way around, so then you get a shadow effect. Although mine didn't work as well because I didn't have that extra shading like I said on the right side of my heart. So yours will definitely look better than mine. You can use the purple to blend the black and the warm colours of the heart together so you don't have such a harsh edge. These look great as a class display all next to each other, even though they're using the same concept of a heart in the middle and using cool and warm colours in contrast, they all look different. The camera hasn't picked up all the texture so great, it's much better in person, but the texture really makes a difference to this picture. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this on a Monday and other art related videos on a Thursday. See you next week for more art with Miss Burford.